This mechanical engineering program is top-notch. Right now, Southeast Idaho has up to 400 job openings for this career.
Before I took this program, I just thought I was going to be sitting in an office. But after taking this program, I realized I can work on new stuff every day. I can make stuff, I can build stuff. It's a pretty fast-paced program. I'd say about 70% of my time is spent in the lab. You get your hands dirty a lot, you get to take stuff apart, you get to learn how things function.
We learned about pumps and piping systems and hydraulics, stuff I hadn't been exposed to before, but stuff that I've seen and always wondered how it works.
We have a technical advisory committee. All of the industry partners tell us exactly what we're looking for in our technicians. They also help facilitate us with equipment from these industries so that we get to rebuild them and the kids get hands-on learning. They will meet with industry and they'll have careers lined up before they even graduate.
As an operator at Idaho National Laboratory, I check facility systems, checking instrumentation, electrical systems, to make sure that it's all running correctly.
For the Tech Expo this year, we wanted to make a go-kart out of an electric motor, so we made it all from scratch.
We're working on nuclear reactors, past, present, and future. We deal with fuel that's been irradiated. From like the energy sector perspective, it's driving the nation's energy future. It's something that will help not only all of our country, but eventually the world.